Yes, students. So let's check this question. Three identical capacitors P, Q, and S, each of capacitance C, they are connected to a battery. If the energy stored in P and the energy stored in the system is UP and whatever is this, then you have to find the ratio. Now try to understand which formula we can apply. I am not getting into the charge here. Otherwise, it will become very confusing. So what can I do here? I will check the potential difference across each capacitors. Understood? So if they are connected in parallel like this, how much this, let's consider, obviously it is given, they all are having how much capacitance? C, C and C. So this is directly connected to these 2 points. So it will be getting how much potential? B, which is what we have connected here. Now what about these two capacitors? If two same capacitor or two same resistor are connected in series, potential will be divided into half. That is a clear concept, right? So how much potential this one will be getting? It will get V by 2. And how much potential difference or potential drop is here? V by 2. Understood? Now energy, it is given energy across P. It will be how much? Half into C into V by 2 square. Okay. Now they are talking about total energy now. Okay. This is UT. How to find UT? For finding UT, you have to find equivalent capacitance. Now it is very clear from this diagram. C and C in parallel, we will be getting how much capacitance? They are connected in series, right? So how much will be equivalent capacitance? C and C. That will become what? C by 2. So in this branch, how much is the capacitance? C by 2. And this is C. In parallel, you already know, you can directly add. So C plus 2, C by 2, sorry, plus C. So C equivalent will become how much? C equivalent become C by 2 plus C. It will be how much? 3C by 2. So total energy stored, that is energy here plus energy here plus energy here. So total energy will be equal to half into C equivalent, 3C by 2 into how much potential you have applied? V square. So this by this, we are taking the ratio UP upon UT. It will be becoming how much? 1 by 8 CV square. And what we will be getting here? 3 by 4 CV square. Got it? 4 will go here. 4 upon 8 into 3. 4 2 ja 8. 1 divided by 6. This is one of the simplest method. Don't introduce this much is a charge stored, this much is a charge stored, otherwise you will not be able to solve it. Okay, this is the one of the most simple way to solve this question. Okay, what is the answer? Option number 2. Okay.